Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again, and in this video I'm going to be turning 1000 naira to 10,000 naira using sports betting. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a gambler. I just want to try things out and see how this thing will actually work out. Because I've been seeing a whole lot of people showing results on Instagram about them winning big on betting and all of that. So my purpose of doing this video is to actually know if they're telling us the truth or if they're actually trying to scam people and all of that. So I'm going to be doing this in form of episodes. So this is like the episode 1, and the next thing I'm going to do right now is to hop into my phone and log into my BetNiger account, because I'm going to be using that bookie, and I'm going to fund my account with 1000 naira. And remember, I just opened this account for this video. I'm not a gambler. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to join different Telegram groups. Okay, I'm going to join a lot of groups that are showing the results, the green tickets and all of that. Let's know if they're actually showing us the real thing, all right? Because some of them will end up deleting their old post maybe when things doesn't go right. They will delete it and all of that. So I'm going to go with the most trusted ones, and then let's see how things goes. So with that being said, let's get the whole thing started. Alright guys, if you look closely on my screen, you would realize that I've funded my account with 1000 naira, and right now I've selected some games. Alright, so I'm the one that made these selections. They are not from the gurus themselves. Alright, so I just made these selections, and what is going to happen is this. I'm going to divide the money into two. Okay, so the first one I'm going to stake 500 naira, and the second one I'm going to stake 500 naira. So the first one is this game that I've actually selected by myself, so I'm not going to look at them twice. I'm just going to go ahead and stake this 500 naira and forget about it. All right, so the second one is the one I'm going to get from the Telegram guys, and that's too odd. All right, so I'm going to stake 500 naira as well. So let me go ahead and get the odds from the Telegram group. All right guys, this is the Telegram group that I'm going to be using. I'm not in any way associated or affiliated to this Telegram group. I just searched for it, and yeah. All right, so this is the game they just posted, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on my BetNiger. All right, so this is actually from another bookie, and I'm going to go ahead and select exactly this thing on BetNiger and then update you guys. Okay, some of the games I got from those groups are already playing, and I can't go into the game because of the time and everything, so I decided to add up some games, and here it is. And so I'm going to go ahead and stake my remaining 500 naira for this game. Hopefully things turns out very good, and yeah, so let's go ahead and accept the odds change. Okay, place bet.
24 hours later.
Good morning. How are you?
Alright, so the time you guys are waiting for is here, and the first game actually failed us, right? So we were supposed to win 4,000 plus, and everything just crumbled. Alright, the whole ticket, we lost, right? Only one game actually got the ticket, and we lost the money. And the second ticket actually made me proud. Alright, that was the game I mixed with the one I got from the group and the one I actually selected by myself, and it ended up getting us an extra money. Alright, so we just like made what we invested. So we are now left with 1,000 naira. Alright, for the second day I'm going to do the same thing. 500 naira for one ticket, 500 naira for the second ticket. And guess what? Today Chelsea is playing, Liverpool is playing, Man City is playing, and these games are top-notch games. Trust me, I'm going to make some dough off these games. Alright, just stick with me. I'm going to bet on my Chelsea to win, because Chelsea is my club if you don't know. And if you're watching me and you're a Chelsea fan, shout out to you all. You guys are the real MVP. Okay, so I'm going to step on Chelsea to win, Liverpool to win, or draw. I don't know, Tottenham is a hard nut to crack. Alright, so Man City 2 to win. Alright, so these are the tickets I'm going to be betting on. Then I'll combine random games for the second ticket. Hopefully things are going to go in our favor. And with that being said, just stick with me for the next 24 hours. Let's do this.
24 hours later.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I know you guys might be thinking that I'm probably down because my ticket lost. No, I'm not in this mood because I lost the games. I'm actually in this mood because my Chelsea drew with Commodore Nourishing Pool Wolverhampton Wanderers. Who does that? Well, it is what it is though. So for the tickets, we ended up winning one ticket because I actually changed some stuff. That was why we won. If not, we would have lost. We've lost all our money. But hey, we are still with some money. Trust me, okay? So we'll have 1,100 naira left with us because we ended up winning one ticket, which was 2.1 odds, and The other one lost. We were supposed to win 2,000 naira, but guess what? It's my Chelsea, my humble Chelsea, that made me to lose money. But hey, trust me, I'm gonna get back strong and we're gonna get kicking again. So remember, this is going to be a series. So I think with that, I'm going to bring this first episode to an end. Just stick with me because I'm going to build this money until we get to 10,000 naira. And once we hit that target of getting 10,000 naira, I'm going to give all the money to you guys. Hey, yeah, I just remembered something right now. We were giving some bonuses. I think we were giving 400 naira in bonus and 300 naira actually. So I ended up using the 300 naira to bet on some games. And guess what? So the 2 tickets I had, or the 2 tickets I bet the money on, whatever. So the 2 tickets I actually made up for myself. I ended up putting 100 naira in one, 100 naira in one. And guess what? I had this game in the 2 of them. This game were looking so simple, and it seemed like it was going to click once. Alright, so on starting the game, alright, the first game actually made me to lose the whole money. So the first game actually made me to lose the 2 tickets, and yeah, so we're left with 1,100 naira for the next episode. So just stick with me and keep supporting. Yeah, so remember, the money is going to go to the most supportive guys, maybe 3 or 2 guys that are supporting me from the beginning of this series to the very end. The money is going to go back to you guys. All right, so if I lose the money, I don't know what's going to happen though, but hey, just keep supporting N10k TV, because you know what we're doing here. We're just catching cruise and we're making money. So stick with me and follow me on Instagram at N10k TV. And with that being said, you guys should follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and also drop something you'd like me to practice down there in the comment section. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next episode. See you guys and peace out.